Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Season's greetings. Welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, I would love to work with you, so why not come over to my calendar at ldlcall.com, book your free call, and I'll be calling you back when it's good for you. So let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. I might fall down, but I will not stay down. You will fall down, you will fail, you'll feel like you don't even know what you're doing. But this is a big part of your future success. With every fall, you'll get back up. You'll dust yourself off and then you'll go and smash it. So yes, you might fall. You might fail often, but you'll always get yourself right back up there.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.